Hello everyone, I'm Ligu. Today's topic is Jung Hae-in and Jisoo Fortune Harmony Analysis. Overseas YouTube subscribers have applied for the combination of attractive Jung Hae-in and Jisoo. They were very similar in temperament. Let's analyze it together. Jung Hae-in is the sun in his fortune. The sun floats in the sky and shines on the ground. He hates being tied to small things in the world, and he has a lot of thoughts that he is special. Jisoo is a big tree in fortune. The big tree wants to continue to grow, and it wants to be number one everywhere. The sun and big tree are a good meeting. The two of them have a strong position in their fortune with letters that mean popularity. It's a good structure. Jung Hae-in has a union in his fortune. He is a very affectionate person. Jisoo has a conflict in her fortune. It's a very lively fortune. Jung Hae-in has a strong input energy right next to the letter that means himself. Like a scholar, he is very good at academic acceptance and information collection. He is a modern life seeker, and right next to it, there are strong letters that mean art. This energy exists just below the letters that mean him. Letters that mean art also apply to speaking skills. Jung Hae-in is a smart person who depends his thoughts based on a lot of knowledge and speaks very well. This structure is suitable for scholars and researchers. And regardless of the result, he has a process-oriented mindset. Well, the process is important. He is a person who lives hard in the present. However, he has no energy equivalent to his spouse and children. I'm really sorry about this. Jisoo has a strong energy that corresponds to art. There is one more letter like herself, and it supports energy for art. It reminds me of being with a close friend in Blackpink. And the energy of the energy input is in conflict, but it's in powerful position. There are also letters that correspond to wealth. But she doesn't have any letters that correspond to her spouse. They are all very sad about this. However, energy input and art letters are strongly located around the letters that refer to them. So this seems to be a good common part. But definitely, Jung Hae-in's fortune includes a combination of letters that means very powerful charisma. The face is a soft image, and the energy of fortune is like a scholar, but there is another energy. He looks like a martial arts scholar who fits well with actionable historical dramas. Jisoo seems to be always living in a dynamic way because the letters corresponding to art are the sun. They have the disadvantage of not having a spouse's position, but they have very similar fortune qualities. I will give them 86% for fortune harmony. Please develop further and be happy in the future. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.